It's Papa. Papa, Texas.
Tell us what you have on there.
Oh, I got some bacon going. I got some hash browns going. I got Papa Texas running around going. We're hitting that battle. Yes, we are.
Hey y'all, okay, for breakfast, I mean, these girls have been awesome. They let me sleep in. I get up and the coffee's made and things are going on out here, you know, and I'm blessed this morning. And right now we got some bacon going and we got some hash browns going. Go for it. Turn around and smile.
Bacon eggs?
All right.
Bacon eggs.
Thank you much. All right. Slate.
All right.
Woo, hot. People come, people go. They come in, they go out. And so what we got? What we got right now.
Nothing said was probably better because as soon as you did that.
That's what we got at the site right now. About the 5th, 6th time that we're rooped up and gone away. Rooped up, gone away. Different people. We're meeting a lot of people here. I'll be back.
Papa's supposed to be over here doing this.
It's got that. Just go over to Sturgis and you can get any tent you want. For free. Sturgis.
Finger this out of here.
Yep.
Don't you go, girl? I didn't know is there anything you can't do? Don't say it, don't say it.
All right. Ready for my eggs, Rhonda? Help me, Rhonda. All right, are you ready for some?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And just a hash brown. I love bacon. Yeah, but it don't agree.
I just feel like I'm at a Japanese steakhouse.
We got people stopping by and eating. We do. I think we got like 70 or 80 eggs. Pounds and pounds of bacon. A bunch of hash browns. Coffee filled to the pot. Coming by, taking their morning walk, getting a little fill up, heat up on their coffee.
Put some on her for me.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Papa. Papa Texas. I thought you'd have my plate fixed by now.
I did, but I ate it.
Yeah, I didn't have my plate fixed by now.
I went back much. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Bacon.
I need more bacon.
Bacon, bacon. Bacon.
It's an Iowa thing. Good morning, sweetie. How are you?
Good. You're looking good. Thank you.
When does she does not look good? Come on.
Most of the time.
I slept so good.
All right. You got hash browns.
Yep. You want to finish off these eggs?
Sure. Thank you, my man.
Yeah. Bam! I didn't even think about getting them, but anyway, I think I got enough bacon here. We'll get before we get back to bacon out here. Okay, my cat.
Morning, darling.
More bacon?
Bacon?
Nifty, thrifty.
You feel like?
Are these all Lance's?
These are farm fresh eggs over here.
Another Taylor.
Farm fresh eggs here. Yeah, from farm.
Yeah, what it is? Well, I can see he's doing a really good job of supervising. I don't do as good as you. Yeah, you know, you got to pass the torch. Are you Papa Texas Jr. now?
I'm Papa Texas.
E.T. That'd be me.
From right here, folks. Don't mess with Texas.
That's right.
Papa Texas.
You do that pretty darn good.
Well, yeah, no, when he contacted me, I woke everybody in Iowa up. And I said, holy shit. Ah, wait, holy crap.